In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. If you're looking to streamline your data analysis and make sense of large, complex data sets, pivot tables are an incredibly powerful tool to have at your disposal. They allow you to summarize and analyze data without altering the original spreadsheet. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage or opening a specific spreadsheet you have in mind. Now, the next step involves selecting the data that you intend to analyze. To do this, highlight the entire range of cells that contains your data, making sure you include the column headers. This is crucial because the headers will serve as the labels in your pivot table. Once you've highlighted the necessary range, click on Insert, located in the menu at the top. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Pivot Table. This action will prompt a new panel, aptly named Create Pivot Table, to appear. Here, you'll have the option to insert the pivot table into either a new sheet or an existing sheet that you already have open. Choosing New Sheet is often the best practice as it keeps your data organized and separate. But if you prefer to work within the confines of the same sheet, Existing Sheet is a viable option too. After making your choice, click on Create. A new sheet will now open up. This sheet will contain a blank pivot table grid and a pivot table editor panel on the right side. The editor panel is where all the magic happens. Let's begin by adding data to our pivot table. In the Rows section of the editor panel, click on Add. A list of your column headers will appear, and you can select the ones you wish to display as rows in your pivot table. This is a crucial step because it defines the primary organizational structure of your pivot table. Next, move over to the Values section and click on Add again. Here, you'll choose the data you want to analyze or calculate, such as sales figures, amounts, or any other numerical data. This will populate your pivot table with the corresponding calculations under each row category you previously selected. And there you have it. With your pivot table now set up, you can easily analyze your data, gain insights, and even spot trends or anomalies. Whether you're crunching numbers for a business report or just organizing personal data, pivot tables in Google Sheets are a game changer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore additional features and customization options within the Pivot Table Editor to enhance your data analysis even further. Happy analyzing!